Ready to find your next gaming beast? We're diving into the best gaming laptops from the latest lineup. Power, speed, and style all packed in. Let's jump straight into it. Welcome to TechSpira Universe channel. Today, we're dropping the top 10 latest gaming laptops that'll blow your mind. Now let's get started. At number 10, we have the Asus ROG Flow Z13. The Asus ROG Flow Z13 is a compact yet powerful 2-in-1 gaming machine. It packs an AMD Ryzen AMX Plus Pro CPU and an AI-powered GPU with RTX 4060 level performance, delivering smooth gameplay. With 32 GB EPDR5X RAM and a 1TB NVMe SD, expect lightning-fast speeds and seamless multitasking. The 13.4-inch IPS display with a 120Hz refresh rate ensures crisp fluid visuals, while the 75mAh battery keeps you powered for hours. Despite its strength, this device remains ultra-light at just 1.2 kg, making it perfect for gaming on the go. Now, would you pick this as your next gaming device? Let me know in the comments. At number 9, we have the MSI GE78 Raider 2025 edition. A gaming beast built for those who love RGB aesthetics and aggressive design. Powering this monster is the Intel Core i9-15900HK, a high-performance processor built for extreme gaming and multitasking. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080 TB, 12GB GDDR7 VRM, it delivers next-gen graphics. With up to 32GB DDR5 RAM and 2TB NVMe SSD storage, expect blazing fast load times and effortless multitasking, whether you're gaming, streaming, or editing content. Its massive 17.3-inch 4K display with a 144Hz refresh rate ensures stunning visuals and buttery-smooth gameplay, while the 90mAh battery keeps you in action longer without frequent recharges. Weighing 3.5 kg, this powerhouse is built like a tank, designed for those who want pure performance in any bold, aggressive chassis with vibrant RGB Raytongru. If you're after top-tier power, high refresh rate 4K gaming, and an eye-catching design, the MSI GE78 Raider is ready to dominate. Taking the number 8 spot is the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16, a laptop that strikes the perfect balance between power, efficiency, and barriere. At its core, the Intel Core i7-14700H delivers responsive performance for both gaming and multitasking. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070, you can expect smooth frame rates and real-time ray tracing for truly immersive bitwaruzu. With 32GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD, you get ultra-fast load times, seamless multitasking, and plenty of space for your games and files. The 16-inch QHD display running at 165Hz ensures crisp fluid visuals, while the robust cooling system keeps performance stable under pressure. Weighing approximately 2.5 kg, the Helios Neo 16 comes powerful hardware with smart thermal management, all at a reasonable price, making it a solid pick for serious gamers on a budget. If you're after dependable performance, smooth visuals, and efficient cooling without breaking the bank, the Acer Predator Helios Neo 16 is a standout choice. Landing at number 7 is the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2025, a compact gaming powerhouse that proves great things come in small packages. At the heart of this sleek machine is the Intel Core Ultra 9 285H, delivering elite-level performance for demanding games and multitasking. Paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, you get stunning graphics, ray tracing, and ultra-smooth gameplay, with up to 664GB of RAM and 2TB of SSD storage. This laptop handles intense gaming, creative workflows, and multitasking like a breeze, with lightning-fast speed and tons of space. The 14-inch QHD Plus display runs at 165Hz, offering vibrant visuals and fluid gameplay, while the improved cooling system ensures consistent performance under pressure. Weighing just around 1.7 kg, The Zephyrus G14 is ultra-light and portable. Perfect for gamers who want top-tier specs in a sleek, go-anywhere package. If you're looking for power, portability, and style all in one device, the Asus ROG Zephyrus G14 2025 checks every box. At number 6 is the Asus ROG Strix SAR 18, a beast built for serious gamers craving power and immersion. It features an Intel Core i14900HX and an RTX 4090, delivering top-tier gaming performance with stunning visuals and ultra-fast response. With 32 GB RAM and a massive 2TB SSD, you get smooth multitasking and loads of storage for all your games and few iruzu. The 18-inch QHD display runs at 240 Hz, offering a super immersive and fluid gaming experience backed by an advanced cooling system for peak performance. PT weighing around 3.5 kg, it's a powerhouse made for those who prioritize raw performance and screen real estate. Next on the list is the HP Omen Max 16, a true visual and performance marvel. It's powered by the Intel Core Ultra 9 275HF, offering outstanding processing power, paired with the mighty NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090 for next-level gaming graphics and performance. With 32 GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD, multitasking is seamless, and you'll have plenty of space for your games, files, and creative projects. The 16-inch OLED display at 2560x1600 resolution and 240 Hz refresh rate delivers breathtaking visuals and buttery-smooth gameplay, although the battery life could be better. Weighing around 2.7 kg, the HP Omen Max 16 strikes a great balance between power and portability, perfect for gamers who demand top-tier visuals and speed. At number 4, we have the sleek and powerful Razer Blade 16 2025, a premium gaming machine in every sense. It runs on the AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX 370 processor, combined with the beastly NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, giving you elite-level performance for both gaming and creative work. Packed with 32 GB of RAM and a spacious 2TB SSD, it handles heavy multitasking and storage needs effortlessly. Its 16-inch OLED display with 2560x1600 resolution and a 240 Hz refresh rate promises stunning visuals with super smooth motion, perfect for competitive gaming and content creation. At around 2.5 kg, the Razer Blade 16 offers top-tier power in an ultra-thin portable design, though be ready to pay a premium for all that style and performance. Taking the third spot is the Asus ROG Zephyrus G16 2025, the perfect blend of performance and portability. It's equipped with the AMD Ryzen 9 8900HX processor and the powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5080, delivering smooth, high-end gaming and multitasking performance. With 32 GB of RAM, massive 2TB SSD, it's built for heavy workloads, fast loading times, and seamless gaming experiences. Its 16-inch QHD plus OLED display with a 240 Hz refresh rate offers stunning colors and ultra-fluid visuals, making every frame look gorgeous. Weighing just about 1.9 kg, the Zephyrus G16 is a powerhouse you can easily carry around, with the bonus of excellent battery life to keep you gaming on the go. Sliding into second place is the Alienware X17R2, a true titan built for serious gamers and creators. At its core, it's powered by the Intel Core i9 14900HX and paired with the cutting-edge NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5090, delivering extreme levels of gaming and processing performance. It supports up to 64 GB of RAM and a massive 4 TB SSD, giving you insane multitasking power and storage space for all your games, projects, and media. The 17.3-inch 4K NAND display with a 165Hz refresh rate brings stunning detail, rich colors, and fluid visuals for an unmatched gaming experience. Weighing about 3.1 kg, the Alienware X17R2 stands out with its mechanical Chemex keyboard and smart AI-driven cooling system, a beast built to dominate any battlefield. And finally, claiming the #1 spot is the Lenovo Legion Pro 7 Gen 9, the ultimate gaming powerhouse. It's driven by the Intel Core i9-14900HX and the ultra-powerful NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4090, bringing you true desktop-class performance in a portable package. With 32 GB of DDR5 and 1 TB NVMe SSD, expect lightning-fast speeds, smooth multitasking, and plenty of room for all your gaming and creative needs. The 16-inch QHD Plus display at 240Hz with G-Sync support delivers vibrant visuals and incredibly fluid gameplay. Every frame looks razor-sharp and buttery smooth. Weighing around 2.8 kg, the Legion Pro 7 Gen 9 backs its insane performance with excellent cooling solutions, making it an unstoppable force for hardcore gamers and pros alike. Boom, that's a wrap on the latest and greatest gaming laptop. Power up, game hard, and dominate every match. Smash that like button, hit subscribe, and let's hear your top pick in the comments. Stay fierce, stay gaming, and stay legendary.